The radii of two cones are in the ratio 2:3 and their volumes are in the ratio 1:3. Then the ratio of their heights is what? Simple question. So we should know the volume of a cone. This is going to be 1/3 pi r square h. There are two cones here. So let's have their radius to be radii to be r1 and r2. Heights to be h1, h2. That's it, simple. So that means as per the information we have r1 by r2 is equal to 2/3. And from this, since we have a square, from this we can clearly tell r1 square by r2 square will be equal to 4/9. Simple. Okay, yes. We are just squaring, that's it. Now we are also given the ratio of their volumes. That means 1/3 pi r1 square h1 by 1/3 pi r2 square h2. This is what is equal to 1/3. Because this is going to be the ratio of their volumes. This is 1/3. Now we can cut all these constants. We also know r1 square by r2 square is 4/9. We'll substitute this 4/9. h1 by h2 is equal to 1/3. Or h1 by h2 is equal to, so we can cut some common terms. So what happens? 1/3 into 9/4. We can cut this is 3. So we are ending up with 3/4. So that means the ratio of h1 by h2 should be equal to 3/4. The ratio is 3:4. So 3:4, option C is there. Ready? We'll check this. Yeah, we are right. Option C, 3:4 is the right answer.